Welcome back to the Step In Bricks YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Giuseppe Paladini and I'm here in Stirling in the campus, University campus, to talk about student accommodations. What we're going to do today, we're going to talk about the difference between renting a room in a student accommodation like university or rent privately. And then we're going to cover a little bit about HMO and as well how to become a property investor and save money. Now, if you consider the very first thing here, behind me you can see all student accommodations. You can see old buildings and newer buildings that way. And then students pay up to £150 per week to get one room, one bedroom. I know because I lived here. So one bedroom, and you have a shared flat with another 5 to 7 people. So it's an HMO, basically, a house of multiple occupation. And £150 a week is roughly 650 per month to get just one bedroom and a shared kitchen with another 5 to 7 people and a shared bathroom. That's a bit insane. Now, some rooms have their own ensuite, so their own bathroom inside the room, but I would say the kitchen is shared, so that's quite uncomfortable, and I remember my old days here. Now, if you consider comparison between renting here and renting with private landlords, you can see a huge difference because you can just get one mate, one friend, and two of you can rent a 2-bedroom flat or 2-bedroom house for the same price of what you are paying alone to share the room with 5 to 7 people. So I don't know why many people don't do it. Probably they just arrive here, they don't know where to go, and then they just contact the university, the local university. I'm not just talking about this city, but I'm talking about all over the places, all over the UK, all over the world. So people arrive to the campus, then contact the university, and then they offer the accommodations because that's the easiest way to get accommodation. Now, as everything in life, the easiest path might not be the best path. So you always have to do your own due diligence, your own research, and also believe that you can find a better place. Otherwise, if you're lazy since the beginning and just get the easiest option, then that might be a problem later down the line because you're wasting a lot of money. If you rent privately, of course, you have a lot more space. You might have a private garden. You have just one kitchen to share between 2 people, and you can do whatever you want. That's the main difference between the two. So what I want to cover as well is, let's say hypothetically, you have the deposit to buy a property instead of renting, okay? So you have a good credit score and then you can buy a property. What happens is that you can now pay your mortgage, which is cheaper than the rent, and you can rent one of the rooms to a friend. Why is this tax efficient? Because you have it's called rent a room allowance or rent a room scheme. This is an allowance, a tax allowance that allows you to offset £7,500 a year towards your income. So basically, if you earn less than £7,500 from the rent of the other room, you don't have to pay tax on that, okay? It's zero tax. So that's a very tax efficient way of paying off your mortgage through renting one room and live rent-free, mortgage-free in a property that you bought and is going to give you money all the time, even when you finish your university years, and is going to grow in capital appreciation. I think this is a no-brainer. You really should consider about renting privately or buy your own properties. And that's why property investors then become wealthy, because over time properties always go up. Even if there is a crack in the economy, even if there is a crash or a small blip in the graph of the overall economy, property prices always go up. Now, I hope you enjoyed this content. If you like, subscribe and comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.